Well, hello everyone, this is Andy Lamar with Pepperl+Fuchs, and this is our latest installment of Ask an Expert, where I sit down with one of our product experts and they answer questions from our customers. And today's episode is on our purge solutions. And today I'm joined by Brent Dean, and Brent is our product engineer for our purge, EPE, level, and corrosion solutions. So Brent, thank you so much for joining us, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright Brent, let's move on to our first question. And this customer asks, I'm looking to purchase a z-purge system for two enclosures that I have, which are 15 and 18 cubic feet. They will be located in a Class 1 Division 2 location. What is the difference between your 1000 series and 3000 series? What system would I need? Alright Brent, what do we have for him?
Our 1000 series is our legacy system. For all new applications, we recommend our 3000 series. Both systems are approximately the same price and functionally are identical. The 3000 series has a higher flow rate, which decreases the amount of time it will take to complete your purge cycle. The 3000 system is also certified for zone applications, where the 1000 series is not. For your particular application, I would recommend using our 3003 purge system, which is a YZ-purge system. It is good for enclosures up to 90 cubic feet. You would also need to purchase the corresponding vent for the system, which is our EPV-3-SA vent.
Alright Brent, let's move on to question number 2. This customer asks, I have an enclosure that I am going to be adding a Vortex cooler to. One of your 3000 series purge systems is already connected to the enclosure. How do I need to connect the air supply to efficiently run both components?
What you will need to do is make sure that you tee off or split your air supply before the regulator on the purge system. If you would tee off your air supply after the regulator, it will still work, however the cooling capacity of your Vortex cooler will diminish quickly due to the restricted airflow. Other items to be aware of, since you are adding a Vortex cooler to the existing system, is the amount of flow that you will be adding to your system, which will cause higher pressures. The vent for the purge system will be able to relieve some of the flow and pressure, but you will need to check that the flow of the purge system plus the flow of the Vortex cooler will exceed the relief capabilities of the vent. If so, then you can either replace the vent with a larger vent or add a second vent to compensate for the added flow and pressure. Also, since you are using the 3000 series, we have a VX gauge. This is designed for enclosures that are using Vortex coolers. Basically what it does is it gives you a wider measuring range, because if you add a Vortex cooler with our normal gauges, due to the extra pressure, it's just going to peg out your gauge the entire time.
Alright Brent, I'd like to close out this segment by just asking you what our customers can expect from Pepperl+Fuchs in regards to our purge portfolio here in the near future. What do we have coming up?
Shortly we will be launching our new fully automatic 5500 YZ purge system. Some of the key features and benefits will include leakage compensation, the ability to use temperature and pressure as an input. It's very compact, giving it a small footprint, and it also offers the ability to cut power to your system if pressure is lost. Now, you can stay tuned for the official release package, which will be coming up in a few weeks.
Alright, well that concludes this episode of Ask an Expert. I want to thank you Brent for joining us, and I also want to thank everyone who submitted questions. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website, go to our blog, or shoot us an email. Thanks again.